Hey guys, do you know how to get perfect speeds and fits in CNC machining? Don't guess, don't vibe, this isn't fiction, this is machining. Guess the RPM and you will blow the tool. Fit it wrong, say hello to melting edges and angry bosses. If you want perfect speeds and fits, you will get now 3 things: material, tooling, and math. Let's start with the material. Firstly, material matters. 6061 aluminum, go 15,000 RPM. 304 stainless steel, slow down or your tool price first. Next, tooling. 2 types matters. Single flute, coated, ceramic. Round cable feels like high heels on a hiking trail. It's ugly. Now here comes the math. Don't panic, it's easier than it sounds. Here's the golden formula. Cutting speed multiplied 1000 divided by pi times 2 diameter equals RPM. Then RPM times flute count times feet per tooth equals feet rate. And don't forget to add coolant. Even perfect math can save you from heat deformation. CNC isn't guesswork, it's data plus logic and experience. Get it right and your machine runs like a Porsche. I'm Kaya and this is TiRapid's channel. See you next time, bye bye!